You are not here by accident. You have incarnated at this precise moment because this is the golden age you were meant for. The signs are all around you, and it's time to recognize them and step into your true purpose. This era is unique and filled with opportunities for growth, enlightenment, and transformation. As a chosen one or starseed, you have a special role to play in this new cycle. The universe has been preparing you for this moment, and now it is time to embrace your destiny. The signs you have been noticing are not mere coincidences. They are guiding you towards your true path. Pay attention to these hints and explore their meanings. They hold the key to unlocking your potential and fulfilling your mission on Earth. The golden age is here, and it is calling for you to shine your light brightly. If you don't embrace your role now, you might miss out on contributing to and experiencing the profound changes happening in this new cycle. The world needs your light and your gifts more than ever. Every chosen one and starseed has a unique purpose that contributes to the collective awakening and evolution of humanity. By stepping into your role, you not only fulfill your own destiny but also help to uplift and inspire those around you. Imagine a world where you ignore these signs and continue to live a life that does not align with your true purpose. The consequences are not just personal, they are global. The collective consciousness of humanity depends on individuals like you to lead the way towards a more enlightened and harmonious existence. Your actions and decisions have a ripple effect that can inspire others to also embrace their roles. This new cycle is a time of great change, and it is crucial for you to be an active participant in this transformation. The stakes are high, but so are the rewards. Embracing your role means stepping into a life of fulfillment, purpose, and profound impact. As a chosen one or starseed, your authenticity shines through in everything you do. You can't fake sincerity, and this genuine nature attracts others to you. People are drawn to your truth, creating connections based on trust and honesty. Authenticity is not just about being true to yourself, it is also about being true to others. This means living a life that aligns with your core values and beliefs, and not compromising for the sake of fitting in or pleasing others. Your authenticity sets you apart in a world often overshadowed by pretense and falsehoods. It is a beacon of light that illuminates the path for others who are also seeking genuine connections and truth. This natural ability to be authentic is a gift that allows you to navigate relationships with clarity and integrity. You have an innate ability to discern sincerity in others, which helps you to form deep and meaningful connections. This trait not only enriches your own life, but also serves as an inspiration for others to embrace their true selves. By living authentically, you create a ripple effect that encourages others to do the same, fostering a community of trust, honesty, and genuine human connection. You are not satisfied with just following the routines of everyday existence. While others might find comfort in predictable patterns, you constantly feel the presence of something greater, something beyond the norm. This inner drive pushes you to explore the depths of human experience and seek out the extraordinary. Conforming to societal expectations feels like a trap you are eager to escape. You understand that life is more than just mundane work and adhering to social norms. This awareness fuels your desire to push boundaries and discover new possibilities. You are driven by a longing for authenticity, meaning, and purpose that transcends the ordinary. This desire propels you towards a life rich in adventure, discovery, and self-expression. You recognize that the world is vast and full of extraordinary opportunities waiting to be explored. Like the poet Robert Frost, you choose the road less traveled, knowing that this choice will shape your life in profoundly unique ways. The restrictions that seem to confine others do not hinder your aspirations. Instead, they motivate you to break free and pursue a path that aligns with your true self. This relentless pursuit of more is a testament to your courage and determination to live a life that is true to your essence. The path of a chosen one or starseed is not easy. You face significant trials and challenges from the very beginning. These adversities are not without purpose. They shape your resilience and wisdom, making you stronger and more capable of navigating life's complexities. As a chosen one, you are often called upon to face the most arduous battles. These challenges test your strength and fortitude, but they also provide valuable lessons that equip you to help others facing their own struggles. Your journey through adversity becomes a beacon of hope for those in need. By overcoming your own challenges, you inspire others to find strength within themselves and persevere through difficult times. Your experiences serve as a guiding light, illuminating the way for others to overcome their struggles and emerge stronger on the other side. Every difficult moment in your existence, every pain, every trial, and every obstacle has a purpose. These encounters nourish your spiritual growth and provide the wisdom needed to enrich the world. Despite your own tribulations, you find the courage to help others in their struggles, acting as their redeemer and repairer. Your ability to turn adversity into an opportunity for growth and service is a testament to your strength and resilience as a chosen one or starseed. Your quest for truth and authenticity guides your actions and interactions. You don't settle for superficiality or pretense. You crave genuine connections and meaningful experiences. This authenticity radiates from you, drawing other people to you and inspiring them to embrace their own truth. In a world often darkened by deception and illusion, your commitment to honesty and sincerity serves as a beacon of clarity, offering hope and guidance to those who seek it. Your journey isn't just about personal growth. It's about lighting the way for others to discover their own authenticity and navigate towards fulfillment and purpose. Since your youth, you have nurtured a fervent desire to discover the truth. You are not afraid to question the status quo or challenge conventional beliefs. While others may passively accept society's dictates, you prefer to follow the advice of your own conscience and chart your own path. Your curious nature is constantly searching for deeper meaning in existence, driven by an innate curiosity to unravel life's enigmas. You recognize that true wisdom comes from embracing the complexities of life and understanding the diversity of human experience. Your openness to different points of view and willingness to engage in dialogue promote empathy, compassion, and understanding between individuals from all walks of life. This conviction fuels your quest, a journey to understand your essence and the true nature of existence. You are not just going through the motions of life. You are diligently digging into its depths to comprehend it fully and uncover your true self. Being the outsider in your family is yet another indication that you are a chosen one or starseed. You have always felt a disparity, as if you didn't fit in perfectly. Sometimes, you may have even wondered if you were adopted because of the stark contrast between you and your relatives. While they walk one path, you turn in another direction. Perhaps your political convictions differ, or your perspective on the world is uniquely yours, one that they struggle to understand. Feelings so divergent can occasionally induce feelings of isolation or estrangement from your family. It's like marching to a distinct rhythm where no one else resonates with the tune you're playing. However, this sense of being a stranger is not a burden but a gift. It sets you apart, allowing you to see the world from a unique perspective and chart your own path. Although it can lead to moments of friction or misunderstanding within your family, it also gives you the freedom to explore your individuality and search for your own truth. Accepting your role as an outsider doesn't mean rejecting your family or your values. Instead, it involves honoring your own beliefs and staying true to yourself, even if that means standing out from the crowd. Your willingness to chart your own path demonstrates courage and resilience, qualities that mark you out as a true chosen one or starseed. In this divergence lies your strength and potential for greatness. Despite having suffered mistreatment or exploitation in the past, you always choose kindness and altruism. This stems from your inherently pure heart, a significant attribute of being a chosen one or starseed. You naturally gravitate towards bringing joy to others, sometimes allowing them to receive more than they are due. This is not a manifestation of weakness. Rather, it is a genuine inclination to help others. Helping others is rooted in your very being. It is an integral part of your essence, woven into the fabric of your soul. Your acts of kindness are not motivated by obligation or the expectation of reward. They flow freely from the depths of your compassionate soul. Even in the face of adversity, you choose empathy and generosity, believing in the inherent goodness of humanity. Your ability to see the best in others, even when they don't see it in themselves, is a testament to your unwavering faith in the power of compassion to heal and uplift. Your kindness goes beyond mere gestures. It is a guiding principle that shapes your interactions with the world. You strive to create a ripple effect of positivity, touching the lives of those around you with your warmth and sincerity. Whether it's offering a listening ear, helping out, or simply sharing a smile, you recognize the profound impact that small acts of kindness can have on brightening someone's day and restoring their faith in humanity. In a world often marked by division and discord, your kindness serves as a beacon of hope, reminding others of the innate goodness that resides within each of us. You have an innate intuition that guides you. No matter how hard you try to suppress it, deep down, you are aware of the status you have as a chosen one or starseed. It's a visceral feeling you can't shake off, a fervent flame inside your soul whispering incessantly that you are destined for something significant. You instinctively understand your role in shaping the world. You resonate with the wisdom of an ancient soul, as if you've been through more lives than your earthly years suggest. The predominant dynamics of human interaction on this planet, domination, animosity, and conflict, confuse you, as they seem devoid of reason and harmony. Despite the chaos and discord that surround you, you cling to the belief that there is a higher purpose guiding your path. Your intuition serves as a compass, guiding you towards the truth and helping you navigate the complexities of existence. You are attuned to the subtle rhythms of the universe, sensing the interconnectedness of all things and the underlying unity that binds us together. While others may be content to navigate the world through superficial interactions and material activities, you are driven by a deeper desire for meaning and connection. You seek to transcend the limitations of the ego and embrace a higher consciousness that transcends the boundaries of time and space. In your quest for enlightenment, you are not alone. You join countless other seekers, each on their own journey of self-discovery and spiritual awakening. Together, you form a collective force for positive change, working to usher in a new era of peace, understanding, and unity for all beings. Not everyone understands your light and brilliance. Some may react negatively to your presence, and this can be disconcerting, especially since you are inherently good-natured. The root cause lies in the discomfort that your inner goodness and brilliance induce in some individuals. They don't like you because your light illuminates the darkness within them, the aspects they're not proud of. As you evolve spiritually, your inner light will shine brighter and brighter. Although many will accept you for this, some may react in a peculiar or even negative way. It's crucial to recognize that it's not about you. It's a reflection of their own struggles and insecurities. So don't let anyone dim your light. Keep being the remarkable person you are and release the negativity. Trust that the universe supports you and remember that you are guided and protected from above. Pay no attention to those who can't understand you. Keep shining because you are destined for a greater purpose. Your strength lies in your ability to stay true to yourself amidst external pressures. By embracing your unique light, you not only fulfill your destiny but also inspire others to do the same. You hold firm beliefs in a higher power. Unlike those who disregard spiritual concepts, you deeply honor the forces of the universe or God. You perceive nuances that others may overlook and understand that everything unfolds according to a divine plan. You are known as a light worker with the task of spreading light and love in the world. Deep down, you recognize this as your true vocation. Because of this sacred mission, you are guided and protected by higher forces. There is no need to fear anything because you are walking a path that has been meticulously mapped out for you, and you are not walking it alone. Your belief in a higher power gives you the strength and confidence to navigate life's challenges with grace and courage. You understand that your journey is part of a larger tapestry, woven with purpose and meaning. This awareness empowers you to fulfill your mission, knowing that you are supported by the universe. Your role as a light worker is to uplift and inspire others, spreading love and positivity wherever you go. This belief in a higher power is not just a personal conviction. It is a guiding principle that shapes your actions and interactions. By living in alignment with this higher purpose, you contribute to the collective awakening and evolution of humanity. So, my friends, if you recognize these signs that we discussed in the video, answer the call. It's a sign from a higher power urging you to fulfill a mission during your stay on Earth. You have been chosen for a profound purpose, and it is time to embrace your role in this golden age. By stepping into your true purpose, you contribute to the collective awakening and evolution of humanity. Your light and gifts are needed now more than ever. Through your support, we can continue creating videos and passing on enlightening knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, and comment if this video resonated with you. Thank you for being part of this loyal circle of wisdom seekers. Your journey is just beginning, and the best is yet to come.